Okay, so what we got going on today, guys? We got new tail lights in for the Porsche. We got the VIP Motorsports retrofit, as you will. Had a guy comment. One of you guys commented last time, the last video or two, that I should get the new tail lights for the Porsche, the LED ones. And I thought, yeah, I put them in my watch list on eBay. I'll put a link in the description for these, by the way. I never did actually buy them. And as soon as that guy wrote me that, I came out here to drive this thing and a tail light was out. And I replaced the bulb and the sockets kind of messed up a little bit. And I thought, you know, it's time. It's time. These are fairly spendy for taillights. They're 200 bucks a piece, so 400 bucks for a set. They're even on sale at that price. These are direct plug and play. As you can see here, it has the exact plug-in. So when you order these, make sure the facelift is going to be different. Can you even see? Can we get in the right light? Is that it? Right there? Okay. And then it has little covers over the screws. So if you don't know, there is 3 8mm nuts that takes this off. Okay. So on this one, there's just 3 little nuts on the back side that holds these in. It's real easy. Right? A little plastic cover. It's got a half-turn fastener. Take that off, and at that point in time, you come in here and just go like this and pick it up right out of there. It's got a squeeze button on each side. There's one thing about this car, and you can see the difference here in these. The top one's are original. This lower one's a VIP Motorsports. This has a LED tube that goes around the whole outside perimeter, and the backup and the blinker LEDs in the middle, right? There's one thing that concerns me about this, and I see some extra wires that the previous owner had put on here, and I'm 99% sure what those are is power for the backup camera, right? For right, I'm not going to snip those out. I'm not sure that's what it is. But at a later date, we'll investigate that. The backup wire cameras are all crimped off and taped off. We deleted all that nonsense. So let's go ahead and put this one on. Plugs right in, no problem at all. Try not to scratch the bumper. And then there it is. I mean, I have to admit, even right now without it on, it does look better. Before we put the bolts in it, be optimistic here. You never want to put anything all the way back together until you try it, and you got to take it all back apart. It's plugged in. Let's go turn the lights on and see how it looks. So you can see now how it looks compared to the stock one. That is quite a bit different. So let me hit the brakes. Or let me hit the blinker first. There you go. And next up's the brakes. If I get in there and do it. And that, my friends, is pretty much it. We're going to go and put the bolts in this. Put the other one in. We'll be right back after we get the second one in. And we'll see how it looks. Alright guys, so here it is. It's all done. A real easy fit. You can see it does look much, much, much better. Probably a little hard to see in here with these lights, but you get the basic idea of it. And definitely worth doing. And now we don't have to worry about the bulb socket being all weird. We're going to do the same thing on the G-Wagon with all lights on it. Just don't have to worry about it. Because it's the same way. When you drive it, if it sits for a while or you got to fiddle around with the bulbs or this or that, it's a pain in the butt. That's going to be it, guys. All for today's video on the Porsche taillight swap 987.1 Cayman. Okay, so we got that done. You can see the smoke coming out of that thing. It's been sitting for a little while in a little shop. I was just telling Philip that when we bought that Cayman, the oil in it was old and really thin. And we changed it once. That's the most I've ever seen it smoke. But the longer it sits, the more it does it. Now, remind you, it has no converters on it at all. It's just straight through. I think what we might do is change the oil again in it one more time to get any of the old thin oil out of it. It's been running really good without any problems at all. The tail lights are done. The headlights, have been looking at those to upgrade to the 2000, was a 14 or 15, a newer style to have the LED ring around them. They're pretty expensive. They're like $1,000 for 2 headlights. Even though ours has a burnt spot from the kid running on high all the time. Should we do that or not? I don't know. Also, the other thing too is we're vaguely looking for a Boxster or a older 911, like early to mid 2000s, but it seems like the market spiked through the roof on that stuff. So let me know what you think about that, and that's gonna be it. We'll see you again very soon.